Guys, welcome back to our channel. We are in the city of Celina today in this beautiful floor plan. This is a MI Homes model here in the community of Sutton Fields. Guys, if you are new to our channel, we just want to welcome you. My name is Gus. This is my lovely wife, Karla, and we are both realtors here in the North Dallas area. Actually, we're realtors in Texas, but we handle all of mainly North Dallas area. If you are new to our channel and you haven't done so, would you please do us a favor and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button as well, and also that notification bell. It just helps us just to continue to provide content for our viewers. We do tons of video walkthroughs, community shoots, and we just keep our audiences up to date with North Dallas real estate market.
So guys, today we are walking this fabulous floor plan that has all the bells and whistles and so much room. So if you are a family and you have outgrown your current home, this could be a great option for you. It has, this particular one that we're gonna walk has 4 bedrooms plus 2.5 bathrooms, but they do have this one available, and you can like upgrade to add a 5th bedroom, and it has a game room, and you can go up to 3.5 bathrooms. So honestly, you guys, this has so much space, and I love the way that the bedrooms are kind of spread out. Yeah. And I kid you not, this is probably one of the best room sizes that we have seen in a very long time. You guys, these rooms are amazing. They're so big. Even the upstairs secondary bedrooms are like humongous.
Yeah, even the closets are big. And now I don't know if you're going to be able to tell from the footages, because I do try to get, you know, so you can get more of an idea of the sizes of the room. But if you're walking into here, you know, live in person, these are really big bedrooms.
They are. So you guys, let us know what you guys think. But this particular floor plan is actually going in the mid 600s to low 600s, just based on how much you guys want to add in there. But they do have one coming up available, and this particular floor plan is named Columbus by MI Homes, and they have one coming up available that will be ready by February, and that one is going to be going for $640,000. Now, like I said, that one has all the bells and whistles, so it's not this particular floor plan, because that one, you are going to get the 5th bedroom, you are going to get the 3 bathrooms plus a half bathroom. So it does raise the price a little bit, but you guys, this is such a great floor plan.
Yeah, and the best of all, and everybody wants to have this, and this is in Prosper ISD. Okay, we are in the city of Celina, yes, but the Prosper is the school zone is zoned to Prosper ISD, which is a huge deal for a lot of families. So keep that in mind.
Yeah, so you are in Celina, but you get all the perks of being in Prosper.
Yeah, tax rate. You're with the PIT included, the PIT tax. You're around 2.5 something. So it's not bad considering you get the Prosper ISD.
It's not bad at all.
Right. They are in the process of building a new elementary school, on-site elementary school. So also keep that in mind. A little bit more about the community. They do have a couple of pools. They have you know, walking trails. They are in the process of building a fitness center as well. So,
and my favorite part,
which is
they actually have a little garden. It's a neighborhood garden, vegetable garden that you can go and you can plant, and everybody just kind of pitches in, but you can grab stuff from it too. So I think that's super cool. Cute, and such a great way to teach our children to grow their own vegetables and just kind of, you know, go out there and do stuff with them. They do have a ton of stuff to do for the kids here as well. Yeah. Playgrounds, super cute areas. Right.
We are right off of Road 1385, which leads to, like, if you're going north, you'll hit, you know, Pilot Point, Aubrey area as well. If you're going south, we're probably 10 to 15 minutes to downtown Frisco, which is awesome. You know, shopping centers are there, tons of entertainment. FC Dallas Stadium is there, so
lots to do. So if you want to stay near stuff but not necessarily be in downtown, this is a great option. Yeah. Also, price wise, I mean, the price is just amazing.
Yeah.
There you have it, guys. We hope that you enjoyed the floor plan. Let us know what you think. Let us know what your favorite thing was about this house. It is such a beautiful house. So honestly, if you are a growing family, this could definitely be the right home for you. Also, give us a call because they do have some great incentives right now. And if you use their preferred lender, there's even more incentives. So like I said, they do have about 8 homes that are going to be available. You know, within the next couple of months. And if your budget doesn't allow for over 500, don't get discouraged. They have 1-story homes that are definitely under 500, and you can still get into the Prosper ISD.
Also, guys, make sure to hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so. It helps us, you know, create more content like this for you guys. And hey, keep up to date with all of our content that we post each and every week. We just want to say thank you, and I hope you enjoy this video. We will see you next time. Bye.